Hello everybody, this is TSK Libertarian, and there's a case, a major, um, there's cases about property rights and who owns property and what, and whatnot. And there's this interesting article from USA Today, right? Yeah, and there's an 1875 congressional law that is called a General Railroad Right of Way Act of 1875, and what it basically does is give public access to all of the public lands. So it gives the rights to the railroad companies to go through, basically through other property owners to get to the public lands. And that, to me, forcing it on a libertarian standpoint, that particular act seems like to be very unlibertarian. As the information I gathered so far about this issue, so there's about 80 cases and like 8,000 property owners / 8,000 claimants. So which means that there's gonna be like potentially 8,000 businesses / organizations / people are gonna be either be able to keep their property or not be able to keep their property, because the issue is, does the railroad, the unmaintained railroads, are they who owns the unmaintained railroads is the question. Does the government own it? Because the railroad businesses that actually owned it, many of them ran out of, got into bankruptcy back in the day, especially when the whole road system came about. And that's a whole other issue right there. But we're just focusing on this particular aspect of property rights right now. And so, and this kind of, the article kind of entails that it could also affect the way that the government does business and does whatever in regards to bike trails and other such trails. So this is a major case, and the court system doesn't want to deal with this particular issue, because either way it really stinks for the government or the people. So there'll be a bunch of either angry people, or it's going to cost the government could potentially cost the government billions of dollars. So that is a major issue in property rights today, is figure out who actually owns it. My opinion is, a more libertarian opinion, is that if whatever particular case this is, and the original owner is not actually maintaining and have ownership of it, then basically leaving it abandoned, basically leaving the property abandoned, then whoever gets it first comes first serve, basically. So that is what my personal take on it. I know there's different viewpoints within the Libertarian Party, within the Libertarians community, I should say, not the party, but community, that there's slightly different opinions on how you go about it, which I do fully understand. Not fully understand, but just understand in a basic level. So that is what's going on today, or at least it was published last week, and the article, the link to the USA Today article will be on the video, on the description. So that is the property issue of the week or day or. So see ya later.